Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap to the sound section. Then you'll see here the media, call, ring and notifications, and alarm volume panels. And just to change the volumes, you should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these green dots. Also, we can see here the vibration for calls. We can just use vibration to don't use it, always to vibrate, and first then ring gradually. We can also turn on the media player or to hide player when the media session has ended. We can turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, or we can change the device ringtone, notification, and alarm sounds just by this way by select one from the sounds. And we can also turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, vibration, screenshot sounds, touch sounds, and touch vibrations by this way just by click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.